Hi everybody, we are doing an unboxing of this item that's currently out of stock, and it's one of those like notify me when available. I had to have my CA track it down, find it, and order it for me. I didn't pre-order it because I didn't think that I would like it until I saw more and more and more photos of it, and then I started to really enjoy it, and like maybe this could be something that I like. So it comes in this big box, which my CA did not bow for me. This big giant box. If you guys have any guesses, leave it down below. Let me close this up so that it has something to sit on. To reveal the Louis Vuitton Lowkey Hobo. Look at this bag. And yes, it's literally just this big sack, but it looks so much cuter when it's worn. It features the thicker adjustable strap. So it's thicker on this side and then it thins out a little bit, but it's a smoother transition. It's not as defined as the carry-all. And then this is a lock mechanism, and it has a button on the side. You press it like that and it opens, and then you can adjust it that way. And it has this leather piece so that this strap can just sit tied up in there. And then no other logos. There's 4 feet on the bottom. There's very minor reinforcement at the bottom, and only Louis Vuitton on the side right here, and not even very big. And that's literally all the logo. And then when you want to adjust it, you just take it out like that and then go up or down, and it clicks. Then you can pull this strap down or higher. It's so cute. And then on the interior, it's just one big suede or micro suede opening. There's like a smell to it. I don't know. It's like cowhide suede maybe. And it has this leather tag right here, and this bag is made in Spain. And this leather is so very soft. My sales associate said, or my client advisor said, that this is a new leather for Louis Vuitton. This claw has LV on both sides, and then that's the lobster claw, and then this clasp has Louis Vuitton written right here. And then on the inside of the lock, it has Louis Vuitton. And then the D-ring also has Louis Vuitton, and then LV on the lobster claw, and this detachable monogram pochette. And on these toggles it says Louis Vuitton, or rivets, zip pocket. Oh, and it's the same interior, and same thing, made in Spain. Let me grab my phone. So my phone is a iPhone 15 Pro, and it fits right there. So just enough for your essentials. I suppose you don't need to bring a wallet with this bag. But yeah, this is the whole bag. The 4 feet at the bottom, and it's just this big lug of leather. Would you guys buy this bag? I don't know. So I love it. I do want to keep it, but it shipped from Las Vegas. and I guess they're not very careful with their stock because it already has a big scratch on this lock right here. And then on the corner, it's already worn. There's like a black mark on the corner right there and scratches on the feet. And then as you can see, this sticker is barely hanging on. So yeah, I don't know, like I want to keep it, but I want a brand new bag, but they don't have anymore. It's completely sold out and it's not even available to order. The black is, but the cognac and this color is not. And this is more like, this is a grayish beigeish creamy color because it's not white. I know the camera is a little bit deceiving, but it's more like a gray. Like this is the dust bag. It's not cream either. I don't know how to describe it, but let me show you guys on the shortest. Can I still wear my shoulder? Oh, it still fits on the shoulder with the shortest setting. You can start to feel it under the crook of your arm. So let me do some mod shots. For size reference, I am a 14-16 and 5 feet tall. So this is how it looks. She's so cute. It's really relaxed. I love the minimalism, but still it's giving luxury. And then this is the length that I like, is on the 3rd. Because it's still short enough yet long enough at the same time. But the model did have it, there was a photo of the model wearing it like this and just like hobo style like that, and that's so freaking cute. Look at that. But I like it on the 3rd. Just like that. Actually, no. Let's do the 4th because I don't like that the leather piece sticking out at the bottom right there. There you go. And the bottom of the base hits me below my hips. So that's how it looks. And crook your arm. And you can wear it like that as well. It's actually really cute. And if you're smaller than me, on the longest setting, I think you can get away with wearing it crossbody. So that's how that looks. Crossbody. I mean smaller as far as like slimmer. I think you can wear that crossbody. It's like really casual and slouchy and so different than what I usually go for, but I'm actually really into it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 holes to choose from. So, oh, I did forget, this strap right here says Louis Vuitton too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This item is sold out, but nobody's unboxed it yet, so hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Follow me on all my socials. I'll leave them down below. Bye!